Why do we study Latin? Well, there are at least 6 good reasons I can think of. First of all, because it is Latin. Latin was the language of the Roman monarchy, republic, and empire from 753 BC to 476 AD. It was the dominant language in Western culture for 1,500 years. Then it remained important for another 500 years afterward. That's more than 2,750 years total. Compare that to the 1,000-year existence of English. Latin, as a form of human expression, is a precise and beautiful language. It's the language of Caesar, Cicero, and Virgil. For centuries, it was the language of the church, scholars, thinkers, and government. After the Romans, Latin would be the curriculum of school children for the next 1,900 years. School children such as Isaac Newton, Augustine, Thomas Jefferson, William Shakespeare, and Elizabeth I, just to name a few. These thinkers, movers, and shakers in our Western tradition read the Latin authors, wrote in Latin, thought and spoke in ways organized by the Latin language, and they left a rich heritage of accomplishment for us. A second reason to study Latin is to increase your English vocabulary. This tree shows how, by learning one Latin root word, scribere, which means to write, you can add all these English derivatives to your vocabulary store. And notice how each of these derivatives has something to do with writing. It's estimated that at least 60% of English vocabulary is derived from Latin, and these are the words that are used by lawyers, theologians, writers, historians, people in the medical field, scientists, in short, the more educated segment of our society. The more words you know, the better you can express your ideas. And the better you can do this, the more you can accomplish in every endeavor. Studies show that those who use language well are also the highest paid and most successful in their careers. A third reason for studying Latin is to build a foundation for all language study. 90 to 95% of French, Portuguese, Italian, Spanish, and Romanian vocabulary is derived from Latin. So knowing Latin will make learning those languages much easier. In addition, language learning principles acquired in the study of Latin transfer to the learning of non-Romance languages as well. How to conjugate a verb, what a perfect passive participle is, what reflexive pronouns are used for. These grammar goodies are found in every language. So think of it. With your foundation in Latin, you'll become a language learning machine.